Red apple, red apple, and we go the tree. One for mommy, one for daddy, and one for me. Red tomato, cut into three. One for mommy, one for daddy, and one for me. Red cherries, very, very sweet. Not for mommy, not for daddy, all for me. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sushant Reddy. Today I am going to talk red colored day. Red is a symbol of love, vibrant and powerful color. It is one of three primary colors. Red is a symbol of love, sacrifice and courage. It is also used in traffic lights and it is also used in case of emergencies. We can find red color in fruits and vegetables like apple, cherries, tomato, red bell pepper. Thank you.